She had obesity problems. Thanks to 4 tablespoons of this every day, now she is a beautiful woman. Having a bad diet can make our body start to have a lot of consequences, causing our health to suffer more and more, especially when we are accustomed to consuming many processed foods that are full of bad cholesterol. Something that happens with these types of foods is that they are usually not very well digested, so normally the body transforms them into fat, and this is stored in the arteries. When there is an excess, we can suffer from various cardiovascular diseases that can harm us completely, not counting the overweight you have. For this reason, we want to show you a healthier way in which you can improve your health. All you have to do is take note of what you need and the steps to follow so that later you can replicate this remedy in your home and you can improve the condition of your arteries with the remedy that you are going to use. And by the way, lose weight quickly and safely. This remedy will help you completely so that you can improve the condition of your arteries, cleaning them of all kinds of toxins and accumulated debris that are in them. There are people who have lost 10 kilos in a week with this home remedy. Ingredients: 2 liters of water, 4 unpeeled lemons, 2 heads of garlic, 1 piece of 4 centimeters root of ginger. Preparation: 1. Wash lemons and vegetables well in 4. Clean the garlic and apart scrape the ginger skin, then shred it. Pour all the ingredients into the blender. 2. Blend until you have a fairly homogeneous mixture. Pour the preparation into a pot and let it heat. Do not let it boil, just let it warm a little. After it cools, you should strain it and stock in a covered glass container. Refrigerate it. Consumption: take 1 cup of this preparation in the morning while fasting. You should take it the same way the night before going to sleep, equivalent to 4 tablespoons.